Welcome to the Posting Board, Treatment's one-stop resource site. If you're looking for new job opportunities and are ready to apply, your job seeker dashboard makes it simple. Let's get started. Begin by logging into your account. Go to thepostingboard.com and select Login in the upper right-hand corner. Select Member Login, then enter your email and password. Before applying, make sure your account is verified. Check your email with the subject line, Action Required. Click the link inside the email to activate your account, or select Resend Verification Email here on your dashboard if you did not receive it. Check your spam box, it may have slipped in there. Once complete, return to your account and click Job Board, then create Job Board account to activate your dashboard. Hit Login to be taken directly to your secure job portal, where you can manage your applications, search open positions, and update your account details anytime. Choose Search Open Positions to find your next behavioral health job. Use the search bar to filter by title, city, state, or zip code, then select if you prefer hybrid, on-site, or remote opportunities. When you find a position that fits, click Apply and take the next step toward your future. You can view and manage every application you've submitted under My Job Applications. Track the roles you've applied for and view your uploaded resumes, all from one simple dashboard. It only takes a few minutes to start your journey on the Posting Board, Treatment's one-stop resource site.